wena wa boro tshwenya ke leme ne ke re go gofa wena wa bora nkare o file wa tsoga wa poster ke phela go botsa moja sa gae wa phitlha mara for wena dilene ke joke mara for wena mojolo ke joke le batho ba witse ka poster di joke story se thoma na kwela pula ina ba o shile chomi tsa gao ba sola yela ba re o stlaelo ga nona melo ga nne chomi ya driver ro tla reka netwe setse ga ro ro ba da speaking for Stan we never stop we on the run your number one Soboni Stan Commons Khan my name is Weekendization ke botsisitse gore wena ba tlamang wena wa ro batla RB Binduna Katsimakwai and I'm so happy to be at your service. Another edition of Speak and Stand with Wiki Demdoa. Thanks again for choosing us, and a special shout out to all the subscribers. Please invite more people to subscribe into this channel. It really means a lot, guys. And today's show, we will be talking to Morongwa, another prophetess, another traditional healer. She'll be sharing her journey. A special big shout out to two of the sponsors. I'm talking about Moringa Lifestyle, and I'm also talking about Blazing Hot, Ausma Babisa. And we are in Siabangena. Let's do this. Morongwa, thank you so much, Morongwa.
Yes.
And we appreciate the honor of coming to the podcast.
Yes.
Morongwa. Yeah.
Yes.
Urumilwe.
Ke rumilwe.
Urumile ke morena.
Modimo ka sebele.
Ayo. Wow.
Yes.
And then let's talk about Morongwa. Morongwa ke mang? Morongwa o tswa le kae? And Morongwa o khonne o tikreya byang hore ke Morongwa?
Nna ka lebitso ke Morongwa, sefane ke Moya. The other middle name
Wow.
ke LD.
Morongwa Moya.
Morongwa Moya.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting.
Ke tswang ke le lefatsheng la Matibe State, mo Machidi section.
Okay.
Yes. I'm the fourth child in the family, and I'm the first daughter. And libitso le la Morongwa e re ke le tlhalosa. Ke sala basimane ba 3 mrao.
Okay.
Then nna ha ba tlo nkreya, it was like a miracle child, because they lose the hope ka nako ela hore they will never bear a child again, like ho kreya mosetsana. Then fortunately enough, as they were the Christian, my parents, and they get this prophecy that you're going to receive the miracle child by the name of Morongwa Eli. You understand? It's just that Saleba Baba civilized yara ha ke belegwa ba change Eli ela ba yetsa LD. Wa understand?
Yeah.
And wa tseba gore mo Setswaneng ho thwe lebitso e be seromo.
Yeah.
Morongwa is a messenger. Eli is a prophet, even in the Bible. My surname, it says a lot. Moya is a spirit of God.
Says it all.
Yes, so I'm born as a prophet. Ke belegwe ntse e le gore neo ya bo profeta e monna, because la ha ke ne ke sa le o monyane ne ire ke tshameka le bana ha gona le something se leng gore ha se right ne ke rashetsa high. And then because by that time I'm a child, I don't know how to like in my body, whatever that I see. You understand? But then till my parents by pick up there is something ka ngwana o, understand? Then ke tsamai ko tshameka ha ke tlo bua mama le papa like o ka re ne le bo my fighters nyana o bona.
Okay.
Ba rata o ka lwana nyana. Nna ha go kena ke tlo feel gore something ne ba se etsa ke ba bolelle ke ra ile na la ntshitela mo moyeng ne le lwana, make peace. And then iswe now le bona ba netefaditseng gore motho o ntwe ela sa le ba ibua before a belego is true, ya tswelela mo yena.
And then what did they do? Like, did they take you to a traditional healer or someone maybe for initiations and stuff, like or initiate or be motho o reng o yena ka jeno? Did you initiate?
Ke tsamaile like ke reng I ke belegwe ka yona ntho ene ya bo profeta, and then I grew up ka yona till today. And then mo ke nnileng le challenge ke kana ko I think I was doing standard 4. Eish kana ke re itse rena re bale ba di standard ne. Mo ile ngore ne ke thoma gowa ko sekolong. Like la ha ke ne ke opela ne ke like I worship in the spirit, and then I will end up falling down.
I still remember like oskolong kokodi assembly, people just fall down. Was there a meaning behind that?
Yes, there's a lot of meaning behind that. You understand? Yes, remember hona le ntho tse dingwe tse ileng hore le Satan le yena o attack ka tsona. on top of the real thing e leng hore e teng mo wena.
Yeah.
Yes. Then after mo go ba ba re okay fine, maybe there is something, then ha ba tswa ba ba re no hona le also the spirit sa hore ngwana a initiatiwe a tsie hape neo ya bokoko.
Yeah.
Then is when now ke starting the journey ka initiatiwa.
Okay, so
Yes. Ke tshwaseditse hona go getso because my mom also was a traditional healer.
All right.
Yes.
No wonder why you.
Yes.
Wow.
Ke di antse le tsweleng.
So it was obvious, or somebody from the family was supposed to follow mom's journey.
And unfortunately, like madlosi a leng monna a se a mama waka, but
Okay.
it's related to mama waka.
So when
Ke la tate moholo Khukhu waka wa bo mamaka. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
All right. But your mom, Leanna, couldn't pick up, or there's something special about this child.
Yes. Because akere ona ntse a sebetsa batho ka mo jarateng.
Yes.
So ha motho a kena sometimes ke no kena le ena ka mo ntumbeng ke fitha ke bue without kataula ke bue ke re mama this person problem ha ke 1 2 3 4 7 and motho o tla bolela re it's true.
But how go to Sabato? Like, isn't there a point where people get so afraid to be around you, knowing that you might just prophesy them?
It happened because especially people when they know, or you can just say things like this to understand, but
Yeah.
as in o kry le hore ka nako eo I have to say it because ntho eo e tshwantse you safe.
Yes. Yes. And then but they'll come back to you and say, you know what you told me saved my life. Like, if it wasn't for you, maybe by now I would be suffering.
Many people. That's why ke na le the online ministry ya Makasaya.
Makasaya. Yes, I saw your name on WhatsApp. I was like,
Yes.
she must explain this name, Makasaya. Is it a traditional name or is it a religious name? What is it about?
Is a spiritual name.
Okay.
And it's too deep because ke sale ka dula Giyane.
Okay.
Section 14
Yeah.
ko Dilika complex. Mo ileng hore batho ne ke na le office and then people come one-on-one and get a one-on-one session.
Okay.
Wa understand?
Yes.
Then kana go ke ne ke ya ne ke sna lebitso le la Makasaya. Akizi wa understand na.
Yeah.
Then ha ke dutse mo office it was early in the morning. After my 14 days fasting, then I saw like the angel writing Makasaya like mo leboteng. Then I was like ke sepoko se ngwalang kapa ke eng ka ngwala that name nna mo fatshe Makasaya.
Let's start from the beginning. Wabona, an angel writing that name on the wall.
On the wall Makasaya. Yes.
Like ule sober.
Ke le sober minded ke metse batho ba to consult. And then I pray about it hore Modimo, if it is you writing that name, tell me the meaning.
Yes.
Tell me the meaning and tell me the story behind the name Makasaya. Then Modimo indeed ampotsa. Angwale that angel yatla after some few days. Yatla. Yangwala Makasaya, miracle are coming as soon as you agree.
Namana.
Yes. Because kering this power ke bede go le yona. That is why kere ha ke tlhatlhobe ka lebakeng la hore ke berekisa ditaola. Wa understand? No. Whether ke telephonically or ke eng ke tlo botsa taba tsa hao. Ha eba no ona le pain I can tell you just grab a glass of water. And if you believe, you will get healed. It's when now I was exposed too much in Guyana, I was exposed too much in Limpopo, I was exposed too much bushback rage.
Like, do you also use them?
I use sometimes.
Do you have them?
I do have, yes. I do have.
Okay.
Yes.
So why was that all about Rubik's all the time?
Like, what kiring mara? Ngana karitaula is in me, hey.
Okay.
Understand? Yes.
Yeah.
For now, I don't see the reason because whether one phone you want to consult online, I'm still going to tell you even more than. Remember, taula, you practice it.
Yes.
You understand? So this gift that is in me, I don't need to practice. I don't need even maybe to say, let me do this before I connect. No, it's an automatic gear.
Yeah.
You press it, you will get it.
Do you have people who come back and complain about your service. But no man, ish gogo man. Man, elong feeling yona ya bereka.
You know, unfortunately, I never had that. You know why? Because I'm too much more praying than
Okay.
using the herbs.
All right. So o berekisa tse pedi pila o rapella motho ebile o fa motho le tlhare.
It depends. Hore ke seemo se se yang.
Okay. So
Yes.
here ka re motho o batlang, like does the person
Yes.
have to tell you know what? Na ke batla thuso, but I want it ka sekereke, or I want it ka setso, like sengaka.
Unfortunately, monna nka se re motho ke utlwa ka yena. Wa
Okay.
understand? Because ha motho a tla a re o tlo consulta.
Yeah.
Ke nna ke tshwanetseng ke connecte le madlozi a go habo.
Yes.
Ke bona ba ba tshwanetseng ba mphe direction. E seng yena a botse nna hore ke etse eng.
Oh.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So e ka se be motho a re ne nna ke nyaka o mpereke tsona, so a ke dumele mo tsona tse so, ke dumela mo tse so, e ka se be motho.
No. E ka se sebetse ka
Alright.
mokgwa o. Motho a ka se tlhahe o tshwana le motho a re ke tlile o tlo thwasa. And then ebe ke re okay ho lokile thwasa e re ke tla o thwasisa.
Yeah.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
No, I have hore ke check.
How does this thing work ya ho profeta motho telephonically? Like how do you have to connect with that person ale so far away from you? Ka phone ebe mo profete ebe o itse hore ke mang?
Shoo, okay. Okay, let's say motho wa phone.
Yeah.
Then okay, prophetess ke mokete wa ko kae, so I need to consult.
Yes.
Understand? Okay, it's fine. Once o mfounela hore wa itse, okay, tshwantse be le hore o latlhetsa kere.
Yeah.
Okay? Then ke tlo botsisa lebitso la hao ke mang. Wa mpotsa wa re wiki. Ka re no. I need other name.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. And then nna wena how you put up your problem. I have to tell you your problem. And I will pray.
Okay.
Sometimes I get rapele like wena o ka nkutlwa, but I do pray. When I understand. Yes. And ha motho a re ke o consulta ko prophetess, automatically we buile, and then le modimo wa tseba. Remember modimo ke ena a tsebang before rena re tlo tseba.
Yeah.
Wa understand?
So ona le ndumba.
Yes.
And do you also have a church where you attend,
Yes.
where you also preach? Like, you know, it's a bit confusing for Nna because I don't understand or when because you call yourself a prophetess. The church that you attend, is it a church ya mabona again bazalwane, or is it a church ya setso ya baleba ba di green and
E re
white?
go botsa mo tabeng ya kereke.
Yes.
Ke ya mo kerekeng engwe le engwe.
Yeah.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
Le bazalwane ke a ministera ko bona.
Nah.
Of course.
Ba tlo kwatela bazalwane.
Uh-uh.
Like once they see this clip that we're gonna be posting here, they'll be so furious and so fuming.
Akere ke nya ko understand bazalwane ke eng?
Bazalwane ke ma born again Christians.
Like bomang.
Like, you know, these charismatic churches, we have this pastors, you know, well-known pastors. By long hore, yeah, man, I don't want to mention them, but we know them, and we know these churches abazalwane. Like we can differentiate between a church abazalwane le mainstream church, le church ya seats, or you know, we can differentiate.
Yeah. I once be a worshipper. Akere hona le nako e leng hore ke reng like ntho tse ding o tswa mo tsona.
Yeah.
And then ore o ka re nna ke tla ya ko segweng.
Yeah.
But nka no re haka last as such.
Okay.
Wa understand? Because remember go ke tshwanetse go utlwelle moruti wiki.
Yes.
And then of which le nna I do have that thing ya hore mara batho ke ba kula, batho ke ba matata bona ke a.
Yeah.
But you can't stand up and point to the person, your problem is this and this and this and this.
Okay.
You understand? Because those churches, honestly, a leader, you have to follow the leader. You understand?
Yes,
so
yes,
like
yes.
I myself, I'm born as a leader. Yeah, it's not going to be easy. But Hoyago the postal he doesn't have a problem at all.
Yes.
He doesn't have a problem at all. Even the Zions, they don't have a problem at all to prophesy. Because the main thing that is in me is this spirit of prophecy.
Like, no, as you speak, can you see what's happening in Ghana? or do you have to be in a certain form?
No.
before you can-
What I know about this place, after kids or more, 3 months is enough. It will never be the same.
Okay.
Yes. That's the confirmation. Ke moana nonyane. That's the confirmation. Lebella kwa wiki. Ke tlile le bona.
Yeah.
Yes. Ke moana nonyane ke ela yang confirmela.
Wow.
Yes. Se go boleletseng sona ka re wiki a ke mo fela.
Yeah.
But let's go somewhere.
So, what is one of those prophecies that happened and people were so skeptical about it, but it happened anyway, and people were like, you know what, you told us so.
I posted before Good Friday, ne?
Yeah.
About the Bosman station.
Okay.
And yeah, some they said, it's Good Friday, but the prophet le tlo bua bjalo. But fortunate enough, there come the testimony whereby my friend, are choma, ntho we buileng mabane, e etsahetse today.
What did you say about
Ke
Bosman?
boletse ka re ko Bosman, ke bona accident e planning ke the devil. A re rapeleng hore ho ske hwa irahala ho fitisa se satane a batlang se etsahale. Mara ntho yo etsahala ho netefatsa se ke se buang. Ke nnete ho etsahala. Ya bane ex ya chomi ya ka ya tlhokofala ka taxi from Bosman to Limpopo. Ka poster hape ke bua ka Johannesburg building e tlo tshwarang explosion. And indeed, after 4 days, Tembisa Hospital, yacha. It's even in my TikTok. And I was crying after who created this confirmation. Where I understand where batho abasa tshepa ba profeta because hona le ba profeta ba ileng hore they mislead people. Mara asebo botle.
Yeah.
Some we still connect with the Spirit of God. We still hear God abua. It's finally by the time batlo ntsha mo tshwane article.
Yeah.
Ke bua ke re ntho tse di etsahalang mo lefatsheng, many things are still to come. Many things are still to come, and ke nnete dintho di a etsahala related to my song. Remember my gospel artist, ne?
Oh, you're also a gospel artist?
Yes.
All right.
It's related to a song ya Morena Khalimela.
Okay.
That song I composed it ka 1996.
Okay.
But ke released it last year, February. Morena Khalimela polayano mo lefatsheng la rena, maponesa masole a ya shwa.
Yes.
Bona batlhabanedi ba lefatshe. How many police have died?
A lot.
How many soldiers have died?
A lot.
But that time ke ne ke compose didn't make a sense because it was not yet time. That is why Modimo ana itshwere before ke tlo I release.
And about the building ya ko Johannesburg,
Yes.
how long did it take for it to
4
to
days.
manifest? 4 days.
Yes.
And even Tembisa Hospital.
Tembisa Hospital.
Yeah.
Remember, it's in Johannesburg.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Remember, there's another building that got burned to go Johannesburg. You know about it, Akar? Before the hospital.
I don't know.
There's this case that is ongoing now about
You
the
see
building.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About the building that was burnt. Somebody says he was sent by someone. You know, it's still in court.
I thank God because for me to come here, I thank God about that because I didn't know about it.
Yeah.
Yes. I thank God.
So when you were prophesying about the Tembisa Hospital.
I was prophesying about Johannesburg building that is going to be under explosion. You know, prophecy, it comes a reality if something indeed had happened.
Yeah.
Like the way ubuang ka teng ore no hona le building e nngwe e etsahetseng so. So it is a confirmation ka se Modimo a mpontshitseng sona. Wa understand? So unfortunately sometimes the voice of God hore batho ba I receive ebe ba phethahatse. How sali easy nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I always ask people this question. Or how difficult is it to keep a relationship while you have this calling?
Sure. It's very difficult.
Mojolo ngwane.
It's very difficult. And I get it. Mojolo ke mojolo.
Yeah.
But it's very difficult. Especially if you want to commit yourself. You understand?
And lwena badimo ba hao ba nyaka hore motho wa hao atle a introduce ko ndombeng or ko gandelong or kae.
Ankere he motho are o batla o dula le wena. Let's say o batla ho nyala. Ha nyale wena fela. O nyala wena le madlozi a hao. and then ka nako e ba reng batho le ya tlhabisa ke mo ba kopantshang badimo
Yes, yes, yes,
understand
yes, yes.
yeah then ke mo e leng gore okay fine sometimes le tla dula but sometimes ha le nako gore le khaohane le tlo khaohana a so gore badimo ho na le bona ba ilo tshwara motho ra ska khaohana le wena no
Yeah. But it's difficult to
re
feel like.
tlhadile ani beno
Wa bana.
Eh.
Le paletse bang hore le thibelle divorce re etsagale ka matla lena a sedimo.
ke mo o tlo bonang hore there is nothing that is above God mara he modimo a re ne le fella mo leeto la lena le tlo fella mo le ho ka re o le ka matlhale remember le ha o ka re ke batla o berekisa setlhare se tlhodile ke modimo sa nosetsa ke yena sa bia ke yena bile mo naheng ya hae so you can overpower the power of God
You cannot.
you cannot ene ke ntwe le ngore hantsi ke reng ke rata go bua nna ne
Yeah.
le ha o le ngaka eteletsa modimo ko pele le dilo tse ding hore wa di etsa e ba le letswalo a ke tswanga da se
Yeah. But previously I spoke to another Gobela who doesn't believe in God, who believes in dilo tsa badimo fela, like he believes hore ha ona modimo ho na le badimo.
For me ho na le modimo ho na le badimo
Okay.
wa understand
Yeah.
and problem ke gore batho ba confuse ya gore ba rapela mang we pray God we acknowledge our ancestors
Okay.
wa understand hore o na le di ancestors ke batho ba o belegeng bo ntate mogolo wa gago bo mama bo papa wa understand those are your ancestors but modimo will remain God will never change le di ancestors tsa how they will never change they will be there whether you like it or not.
What is the common problem for people, like when you have to consult, hore this might be something that the person will bring forward, like this is the problem that the person can talk about, like a common problem elong hore batho they come to you for,
But go consult.
yeah e wo trying why itse king into hanchi tshwenyang batho, is it money, is it mojolo, is it lenyalo, is it eng?
Ba bantsi ke taba ya o kra motho a re a ke prosper,
Yes.
a ke tshware tšhelete,
Yeah.
a ke bone re ke etsang ka tšhelete,
Yes.
o ho na le conflict ka mo jarateng a rutwane wa utlwisisa dilo tsa o tshwana le tseo. So ke dilo tse ngata tse leng hore they are behind gore motho a nne le problem e itseng. Yeah.
And then
O mong a re ha ke kry ngwana o mong a re ke kry di miscarriage wa understand.
have you helped batho ba ile hore they had a problem ya bana, like
Yes.
some they couldn't bear kids, did you help them?
Yes. Wa itse hore e byang week a kere o dula fatshe le motho
Yeah.
wa understand and then wa tlhatlhoba
Yeah.
hore problem ya hore motho a ske a conceive ke eng
Yeah.
wa understand ba bangwe motho sale o tsietswe painting ya na hao ba e bereka wa understand and then you tshwara pelego or ba tsia period ya hao you tshwara pelego wa understand mara ha ile hore ke dilo tse leng hore ha o re ke a tlhatlhoba wena ka tse modimo a o feeling ha o bone anything, then is when now you refer. That's why the traditional healers we refer. A o tshware motho ile hore wa bona hore mo nka se ka gona, you refer because hona le ntho tse ding tse leng hore ke nnete di batla medical doctors. I don't say this because I'm a professional nurse, no.
Oh, you also a professional nurse?
Yes.
So but then the patient it's a longer you sometimes come across and you feel like this problem doesn't need this Western medication, it needs traditional healings, this one.
Unfortunately,
even though you cannot advise them at work, like you cannot say chomi mo a ka sloke ya go Dr. Mamang or ken nanga ka mama, but
it happened.
problem at le nga mo clinicing ka tsheno e ka se thuse nya ka setso.
Yeah, it happened. I still remember hona le o mong ho irahetse hore ke reception and ha ke fitha kwa ke kreya mme o tshwere ngwana ne but ka ya ko ngwaneng ka ra mama o la ka re no wa bona iseng hore byang but ngwana ha o tshwere ke khetlane o tshwere ke moruti wa letswele tama o batla koko or if you don't mind I'm also a traditional healer.
Wow.
but ngwana o tshwere ke moriti wa letswele but wena mo o tsamayang mo teng ba o botsa gore ngwana o tshwere ke asthma
Yes.
wa understand of which problem e mo so ngwana ha sebetsiwe mo a ba re ebile ha ke sa boela morago ha ke sa ya pele
So do you wish the petlele le ditleliniki they can have that
Yes,
that
I wish
relationship
that. I wish.
le bogogo?
Yes, I wish that.
Mara bogogo agere sometimes bana lo hanetsa batho ba no ditlhare tsa go dipetlele.
Wa itse re mmogo ke eng problem ke lack of the knowledge.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say that but ke lack of the knowledge
Yes.
because if re bereka ka motho ka molwetsi you know patient comes first wa understand and o ka se re wena o guru you can do everything hona le mo motho a specializing mo teng ha o ka utlwa motho a re ke khona ntho tse tsotlhe balega there's no way run because even leading medical doctors hona lo specializing ka this and they can refer how to re ke tlhogo o mongwe tlo botsa ra o na le problem ya tsebe tsama ko ENT o na le problem ya gyne tsama ya ko gynecologist so why rena di traditional healers re batlo ho tshwara ka fale ka there's no way it's like for example now basadi ba bangata ba tshwenya ke di fibroids ke ntho tse di melang mo popelong tse di thibelang pelego wa understand khona ke di doctor khona ke di medical doctors because they have to remove those fibroids
mara wena o rukile wa thusa batho hore ba kre bana
that's why ke o lebella pele wa understand but ho bona hore mara mo a ke bone selo then is where you refer wa understand but if o bona something remember awe ka tlhaloganyo ya hao o ya ka se tlhahellang se o se downloadang from amadlosi so se downloadang from God yes awe ka bo wena yes remember how sebetsa ka moya ho sa kgatetse gore kwa badimo or ke moya wa eng you have to let your flesh to die let that spirit take control because how ka ya ka tlhalwanyo ya hao o tlo etsa problem batho ha re tshwane mara motho o ileng hore wa itlhalohanya o tlhalohanya le the purpose ya hore why ile a traditional healer she will also understand because remember re under the practice understand ha re tirele fela rena le di certificate and then rena le mangwalo a ho bontsha hore you can refer wa understand so wena o batla ho tswalella molwetsi then you are failing also God himself and then go ngwe modimo o leka a utlisetse ntho sa ikhoneng a batla o bona hore marapelo ya hao ke a o fodisa hore ke a bo greed then understand so dilo tse dingwe di na lo tlhaela ene le eng hape motho a ka tla mo wena mara sena chelete and you have to assist because le go melaong e reng motho pele molwetsi ko pele ha e go se khweng fela le anda molao wa THO e yalo molwetsi ko pele you can't say ha ke na borotho le nna nka se ka khona o thusa a o faile mothola wena o faila se modimo o fileng le badimo ba reno o mong hana selo that's why sometimes I get I don't know I get furious hearing people say motho ha o khone ho tswa thwasong because ha o khone o patala wa understand it doesn't make sense motho o tlila lwala hana selo sa o patela if ile hore o mo fodisitse ene o tshwanetsa yo sebetsa let him go let her go home
so if ke tla ko wena ke na le problem ya hore a o se wa ntshwenya ene ke nyaka mo tsamaisa slehe o tlo kona nthusa
unfortunately not as I'm saying na a ku utlwe ka molwetsi ku utlwa ka tlhatlhobo e ke tlabeng go tlhatlhoba ka yona wa understand so ho hora hore ha isa tlhole ile ya ngaka eho ke ya moloi because motho o batlang ho mo etsa ntho eo e wrong le yena ona le badimo ba habo hona le modimo wa mo rapelang wa understand and wena o ka ntswa wa re kenya go holwa le yena because wena o tswa go mamuketekete gogo mamuketekete mara that person a emelela ke mangelo ya habo dia bua beke mo wena o tlo re nna ka o fatse di tshwanetseng remember motho mongwe lo mongwe na le motheo wa hae
mara ke re wena mereko wa hao go hore o khona nthusa ka dilo tse di ntshwenya ene o wa ntshwenya
that one e nyaka motho a senang le tswalo
o wa ntshwenya ene wena you can see things that people cannot see you can see hore vele wa ntshwenya
a kere o itse e tshwana le eng eo e tshwana le hore ke ke tsere license ya code 18
Yeah.
ba mpha terene ba re ke reile ko reile
Aye.
yes so ntho o sa irutiwang o ka se ke wa etsa
All right.
so nna unfortunately ke rutilwe go alafa le go protect fela
Talking about protection, what can you protect me from?
ra utswetswa no
Okay.
ra utswetswa not like no like ke ntho e obviously eo wa understand
Yeah.
yes
So you can protect me from people stealing from me.
exactly
You can protect me from my car being stolen.
yes
Like when people buy cars, what but le lona so should be involved in making sure that that car is protected.
yeah
What do you do? Le di track alone.
of course koloi ya tshwanela ho utswiwa no koloi ke motse a wa tshwanna motho mang le mang a kena a ke re motho ha kokota ko wena o mmulelang ka key so why ya ho koloi tshwantse motho mo lo mong a no ipulela key
So the koloi tsotlhe tse le utswitsweng mo lefatsheng tse di sa protectiwa.
haua
Like each and every day, a car is being reported stolen.
you know.
So you're saying those cars were never protected by people like you?
or either even though maybe ne ba re ba di entse
Yeah.
mara di overpower remember hape le ditsotsi le tsona dia bofa ke
Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
Tsotsi ya bofa and ha e bane tsotsi e bofile than that ke mo mathata a thomang tsotsi ya kentla hore ke nyako yo tsena ke bethetsaka ke tswe
He tsotsi ka tla mo wena a re ke khopela ke fetse o etsa ntho e so. Ke fetse o commita no. Would you report him or would you protect him?
a re ke fetse o utswa
Yeah, well, o tla o ira se a tla o sira, maybe o tla o tshwara po, maybe o tla o irang, I don't know, o tla o utswa koloi o tla o irang. O tlile mo wena o batla o cleansiwa, o batla strength sa hore a ska kreahala, dilo tsa di tsamaya pila like any person would pray for their things to go well.
what I know about letsogo la ka la tshebetso a ke bolelle batho ba bangwe
Yeah.
if e le tsotsi e bolela e bile ka se bui nna will tell
Yeah.
wa understand se salang ke hore ha go sebetsa o latla a sa tlo boella
O etsa ba mo tshwara.
a ka ska tshwariwa mara ka ska boella he will repent
Oh.
wa understand
Yeah.
gore mo ke choice ya hae you come to me ka he o tlile ke bona 1 2 3 4 5 mara what I know about the grace e modimo a beileng le matlosi e ba beileng modimo haka ke hore once ke ho cleanser for this mess e o yentseng o ka ska tshwarwa mara you will repent you will never do this again ke ntho e batlang na o mong o tla ya ko o mong okay fine a ka mo irela a ba tswella pele so nna the purpose ya ka ha se ya gore motho a oketse making a sin no
Yeah.
that one I'm against it
Then what's some tshwarisi?
no ho motshwarisa nka se ka motshwarisa because a kere le mo bibeleng ba re morena wa tshwarela
Oh.
yeah so he nna ke tseya di bitsa hae ke re ke di tsetsa phatlhalatsa ha se yona eo yeah mara motho mmotse nnete
So since o dile ga dilo tse re sa di boneng tsa spirituality o kile wa kopana le dilo tsa boshiu or kile wa ya ko hona le problem ya dilo tsa boshiu things that we cannot see with our naked eyes like body tokoloshi so bo se totwane bo eng like I'm very much curious about such things because I'm not sure if they exist or it's just a story fella to scare people.
now what I know ke utlwa bare
O a so kopana le
a
tsona.
ke so kopane le tsona maybe bile a ke itse maybe because ke boi a ke itse but a ke so kopane le ntho tseo like es ko bolella ke khona no kena bo bush wa itse go bush ba re go alloiwa go giane ba re go alloiwa but na ke so kopane le those things wa understand yeah ha ke re ha di teng wa understand le butsona ditokoloshi okay we understand but a ke so kopane le tsona I don't want to lie I don't want to lie
Yeah. And then ke profession e feng e ratang dingaka.
yo bo mthala phansi
Ke wa feng ba.
wa bona motho a dutseng mo hae
Okay.
a sa sebetsa sa etseng
Yeah.
ke bona ba ba ratang ho tsamaya
Mare, I think it's
le di-councellors a kere you know ha o thusa batho
Yeah.
modimo ho na le batho ba utlwisetsang bona o
Yeah,
tlisetse
yeah,
batho
yeah.
bo botle
Yeah.
wa understand so councellors ke bears like yeah
the mayor, you know.
yeah
Pila politicians.
yes
Ke bona ba ratang ho bofa. So wa bofa o khona bofa motho ke re ke tle re mpofe mo ga nyaka mapanta.
yeah like holy a councillor or a mayor
So do you have councillors under your belt?
yeah fortunate enough they know how I'm here so that's why I'm free
No, no,
to
it's
talk.
fine. You don't have to
Yeah.
mention them. But
yes I don't mention
yeah.
them.
But you have councillors by law, they come to you, but over for
Yes.
each and every
After 5 years.
Okay, 5 years. Each and every 5 years,
Yes.
they come and then banyaga second term,
Yeah
and you give them second term.
yeah then it's end mara o ka se itswe o ka se felele ke mosebetsi o
No, but we know you can run for 2 terms.
yes
Then after 2 terms, then a child. Then has that child, what happens?
o
Come
ka
on.
se we you rather go up
Wow.
tshwana le di-lawyers
Le bona ba
yes
ke batho ba lona.
yeah
Di lawyer tsona di nyaka matla o irang because for lawyer you just have to know molao.
yeah mara a kere ba ka o tlhakatlhakantsha o emeletse motho court
Oh.
yes ba ka o tlhakatlhakantsha wa makala le court wa teng a e fele
Yes.
yes wa bona court o e bonang e sa fele e tseya mengwaga e irang e etsang e na le morara ka mogare
And then the councillor tsa hao ke di ka feta 5.
yeah
Serious?
ba bangwe ha se di-councillor like ke ma juniors
Okay. But what kind of the opposition? Like when people are from opposition parties, like this one fights with this one, and the opponent then comes
unfortunately e ho empaletse
Okay.
yeah empaletse wa itse e tshwana le ha o bofela motho wa di-dice wa understand only to find out hore o bofetse weekly o and then
badlala ba le two.
wena o tsebe wa understand o tlo boa a rai manapa re wini wa understand so ke matsapa
So le majita ma dice le bona ona le batho ba hao ba ilong hore ba tla ba tlo bofa. Like the gambler, okay?
Yes.
Not let me not say ma dice,
Yeah.
say the gambler.
e seng ba hore ke batla lotho hore ke batla motšhini wa go kae
Ma dice.
ntho e motho a e tshwarang
Yeah.
yes
And then ba tla mona ba botsa ra sister ha dia spana mfengwe.
Yeah.
Mfengwe mo.
ke o fa molao ke re he di bereka o ira 1 2 3 4 5 o ska ira this and this and this then go and then you don't need even to come back
And then when dilo tsa how long does it take for them to work? Like how much time do you give a person?
I nka se re go na le nako e so wa understand yeah mara plus minus 5 years
5 years.
yeah e tshwana le he go tshwaretse motse nka se tshware motse every year no
Yeah. But I'm saying for me, after coming to you, how long will it take for me to start seeing the results?
a kere batho a ba tshwane
Yes.
wa understand yeah batho a ba tshwane o mongwe o khona hore maybe atile ke bolwetsi or atla o consultile online
Yeah.
are mara after the prayer wa understand ke bona 1 2 3 4
Oh.
yes like now there's someone from Joburg are mama after the prayer I see this wa understand ha so tle monna wa understand ha so tle ke no re tseya just a cup of water let me pray and then ke bona re modimo le badimo ba tla bula tsela na
So what's your take on people who are like, you know what? Fuck this thing. Na ke sa dinyaka ke ya kerekeng. A ke sa bonyaka bongaka. Like what's your take on them? Ba feel hore this thing se ke madimoni. They've been there, they know, they understand. They drank Mariapudi and all those. So
unfortunately I can wa itse gore e bjang
a sa ngwana o ngaka bang se nkenwa madi a podi
ke thwasitse sepedi
okay
yeah batho ba ba reng ra di tlogela
yeah
ntho tseo akere
yeah
nna ke a kerekeng
yeah
nka nna ka re o ka re ba ka iutlwelela this podcast because
Yeah.
they are not wrong
okay
he ba re a tlogela re a kerekeng
Yeah.
wa understand the wrong e ba e etsang ke he ba thoma ho di criticize
oh
he o tlogela then keep quiet don't say this thing ha dina botlhokwa ha dina botlhokwa for wena ka yona nako o batlang o di tlogela but for mengwaga e otlhe ela o dutse le tsona
Yes.
you were benefiting and batho they don't understand hona le batho ba ba thwasetsang ho fola ha o thwasetse hore o be ngaka o alafe batho ba bangwe
Yes.
wa understand so
Yes.
problem e tlhaelana mo o mongare ke tlo thwasa ko gogo nna a ke na mathwasane kanti wena badimo ba hao ke bona ba tshwantseng ba o bulele ndumba ya hao ha o bulele ke gobela
oh
so people ba ratile go sotla digobela ba re gobela ela e jile tšhelete tsa rena fela nna ngwana rena hana le lethwasane le lewane a ka se be le lona why because badimo ba hae a ba so mmulele
yes
wa understand
Yes,
and ha se hore he le mo isitse ko gobeleng e nang le mathwatsana ma 20 hora hore le yena tshwantsa kreye no gobela ela badimo ba hae ke ba hae ba ngwana lena ke ba ngwana lena and ntho engwe e etsang hore batho bana ba bona ba ske ba bona hore ba thwaseditseng batho he ngwana a le ko thwasong bana le dipolelo tse dimpe hodimo ha digobela
okay
wa understand ba bolela dipuo tse di sa lokang hodimo ha gobela and ba butsisa digobela tse dingwe ka gobela ela like ba compare hore hape
Yeah.
rena ba re koko e re ke re matlhasela because ke a morata
yeah
ko matlhasela ko mkhulu matlhasela ba ira so why should o compare mkhulu matlhasela le mkhulu mangmang
Yeah.
wa understand is
Yeah.
where people ba failang tsa ko mkhulu matlhasela ke tsa mkhulu matlhasela
Yeah.
tsa ko tsa gogo mavikela ke tsa gogo mavikela they will never be the same so ke mo conflict e thomang
so mathwasane ba lwesa digobela
mathwasane ba lwesa digobela pila le di family tsa bo mathwasane ke tsone tse di bakang a conflict ka go se tshepe se ba ileng ko sona ba batla go tshepa se ba ileng ko sona ka go compare le motho o mongwe
yeah
yes gore moho e seng gore ke emelela magobela o re bjang
Yeah.
mara go bolela nnete magobela ba sutliwa
yeah
yeah ba sutliwa too much ba sutliwa and o itse gore go nna le ngwana motho ka mo jarateng go boima
yes
go
yes
boima
mara banong yona this thing ya hore batho ba feletse ba tlogela is it because there's something se wrong se ba se boneng ka journey ntse ba e tsamaya or is it something fela that maybe is some sort of an influence that came to them and made them to decide to stop
yeah
practicing?
ba bangwe I think ke the influence e ba ikreang ko bathong and le bona ka bo bona ne ntse e le gore they've never prioritized badimo ba bona either
Okay.
they went for go thwasa for competition
Yeah.
and now motho wa bona gore o ka re now I'm not winning
yes
then nna ke a tlogela nthotse kanti ka nako o tlogelang ke nako e bileng badimo ba hao ne ba batla go sebeletsa because ntho engwe le engwe remember ya testiwa
yeah
wa understand
yeah
ntho e ngwe le ngwe ya testi ho thwasa ho botlhoko ho tshwana fela le the gold you know gold e epiwa mo maragarageng mo ditshileng
Yeah.
and e a fisiwa and mollo wa teng a ona motho a ka o aramelang
Yeah.
e tshwana le lethwasane hele le ka mo thwasong ha botlhoko bo butlwang a ona motho a ka o amohetsang bona and then he o feditse he gold ba feditse go yapea e yo testiwa ke mo lethwasane le tseyang dintwaso or this is the real or not
yeah
and he feditse e isiwa ka gold ko bo stands you can't get a gold ko kae le kae
yeah
simple thing e go botsang yona go compare le thwasane le the gold lebelo re ke mathwasana makae a tletseng mo strateng every weekend o ka re ba ya festivaleng
ke ba bantši why
exactly because the cheap thing we kry ko mara ba start we kry mo strateng we kry anywhere mara the real thing e we kry ko Markham e we kry ko stands is very rare ya nnete ngaka e dutse mo fatshe e nnetse tsa bona e nnetse badimo ba mo fatshe
so you're saying all these people ba tletseng ba ke di Hong Kong
not like ke di phone call aba tse badimo ba bona serious
okay
yeah and re ke nnete e bjao hona le ba bangwe you know like ho ka ba 100% ya batho mara only 2% e tlo bang the real thing.
Yeah.
Mo ileng gore he batho ba lwala ba ka ya go bona mara the rest no. Bongaka ase motshameko ene bongaka ke sephiri. Bongaka ke sephiri ke koma ke
Yeah.
ke koma so why now e leng thokareng e mo fishening.
Ebile wa bolela ka koma so no ke mariha. Dingaka tsa basadi le tsona di a tsentsha dikoma na.
Na a ke itse. Sale ke fededitse khale koma ya basadi khale.
Interesting information, sisters. Very interesting information. And then for people by Longore, they want to receive their prophecies telephonically.
Yes.
Bao karabang.
Bao ba batlang ho ikgolaganya le Prophetess ke 071 564 1909. Yes.
And we betha rak.
Ko ba betha rak wa bona le no modimo nrumile go dikolong.
What about the schools? Una go irang go dikolong.
Ko dikolong ke batlo yo rapella bana ko dikolong because hona le memoya e fuluhileng e tshabelang ko baneng e etsang hore bana e fetohe ba sing bona.
Yeah.
Wa understand. And then ba bantsi ba tlo re bana ba tlhakatlhakane tlhogo kanti ke that spirit because the devil is operating 24/7.
Yeah.
O batla ho tseya the coming generation a ba ise ko lefatsheng la bona.
Yes.
Mara modimo a hana re le badimo ba ka ba re nix modimo roma wena tsamaya
Ko dikolong.
ko dikolong.
And then since no tsana mo half yang ngwaha, what is it that we should expect more for the remaining half of the year? Like South Africa wise, worldwide, or Mokasia Rona, Town.
Ho bua ka South Africa ke utlwa bile ke tlhabeha pelo wa bona bile ke ba somehow.
Yeah.
Understand because there's lots that is coming especially on the side ya letsogo la bontate.
Okay.
I even posted last ke re basadi rapellang banna ba lena because ke tshaba bolwetsi bo boang bo wa ka letsogo la ntate.
Okay, what kind of a sickness is that?
I don't know.
Mara
bolwetsi bona boetla.
Ke ra ke bolwetsi ba bathobalano or ke bolwetsi ba
Not
tlhaloganyo
no,
or
not
ke bolwetsi ba mo mmeleng fela.
Ha ho thwe bolwetsi.
Yeah.
Wena e ka ba bolwetsi e ka ba ka moteng ya hao. O kore bontate ba ka ske ba ikutlwa hantle mo mebeleng ya bona.
Yeah.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
Because the other thing bontate ke ntho tse ngata tse ba di topelletseng mo lefatsheng tse e leng hore a se tsona tse e leng hore le modimo wa di approve.
Okay.
That's their punishment.
So bontate ba satlilo safara like in this remaining 6
yes,
months.
they rather come clear.
How do they prevent that?
They must just come clear. They must just tell their wanangle musadi or wanangle the family abulele nete gore nna we bona this thing ya motho are bathing hamba uya ithatha le ntwa ina bongosi.
Yeah.
Ke punishment ya teng.
Yes.
Ke basadi ba kae ba ba lositseng dipopelo. Ke basadi ba kae ba ba lositseng bana because of banna ba urwala. They are killing the innocent blood.
Wana orwalisi.
No, I don't do that. I don't even want to know that.
Yeah.
Whatever e ke sa irutiwang, I don't want that. A ke topelle ntho tsa go strateng.
So men should be careful.
They should be careful.
This remaining 6 months.
This remaining 6 months. Yes.
And then any message for women?
Women, we must just take care to each other.
Yeah.
Basadi re ratane. Basadi re khothatsane. Because basadi re imetswe.
Leave it again, God.
Ke tse ngata, you know msadi ha o sena le bone ka mo ntlong ke ena a tshwanetseng a bone plan. O mong mosadi o ko ntle ko strateng ka bana. Ha ona le mo a robalang mo teng.
Yes.
Mara mosadi tshwantse a make sure bana ba le baja. mosadi o make sure hore bana ba ka ba ya le dikolong.
Yes.
And then mosadi o feta ngwana wa hae a le ka motlatsa le breach ka baka la nyaope, o tshwanetse a fete ngwana ola eba a fitlhe ko ntlong a robale a tsoge for the sake of bana ba bang ba nang le bona. So pelo ya mosadi e gobetse.
Yeah.
E gobetse. O mongwe o dutse ha itse gore ngwana wa hae o ko kae. O mongwe o dutse ha itse gore molekane wa hae o ko kae. O mongwe o dutse ha itse gore o tlo ja eng. O mongwe o entse dintho tse ileng gore le ka tshoko wa itshola gore mara e ka be e le nna ke irileng dintho tsela. Why? Because na ba tlo provide.
So let's talk a little bit about your music. Opela music mo wa gospel, and do you have an album already out?
I've got 4 singles that is out, and now as I'm speaking, we are starting the new album with the full band, and the 4 tracks that are out ke Morena Khalimela, Batsadi Baka, Re Lamolele le Mmabaleti. Yes.
Wow. Mara how come modimo a kono fa motho mo wane dilo tse dintsi so o gobela?
Yes.
You're an artist, o nurse,
Yes.
you're also a prophetess.
Yes.
Oh, Amore, when do you get your time to relax?
I do have time to relax, but not going out like, you know, like
Yeah.
but like I'm too much le bana baka.
Nice.
Hakere maybe we go out ke nna le bana baka because they are there for me, they understand me.
Yeah.
Well, understand, they know what kind of a mother is this one. Understand. So le nna that's why ke phela ke le around bona because they come first in everything. I've got 5 kids. I've got 5 kids. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
No, shout out to you, sister. So
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you. And in Spanish, how re tla sutlwela ba tla robotsa ba bang ba ileng gore ba thusitse. Some they'll comment.
Yes.
Some they'll, just ask for your numbers. I know.
Yes.
Some will say we keep kopeleng for numbers tsa sister Simo Morongwa.
Yes,
And then,
yes,
I'll be
and they
happy
will-
to give them.
Le mo musicing ba re inviting re tlo ba opella.
Yeah.
Yes, le bo MC.
Hey, man, Lebo MC.
Yes.
Are we yo tlhekisa.
Yeah, because caring,
Is it about the money?
it's not all about the money. It's,
Okay.
it's all about what God says I am.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I maybe Billy, I'm the first artist who release the single track. Remember, I've got also ya mokhatlo o mongwe, I don't want to expose.
Yeah.
Ke khona ho yo opella our president
Okay.
ka di 14 tsa October
2024.
2024.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
it's about Fidanyana something.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ke ma watsentse the connection in there.
Ke modimo. You know, haile nako ho etsahalang with
Please da manwanya ke.
o itse haile nako ho etsahalang modimo no kopantsha le motho ka nne re o tsamaya wa kopana le motho
Yeah.
wa understand.
Yeah.
We are o phone bara wa e tla man week. Why? Because ke morero wa modimo.
It only takes one person to believe in you. Just one person to believe in you, and then
Yes.
the rest is
then
history.
yeah, like I myself when I start ke ile ko studio se se recorder Solimo Holo, not knowing hore ke ko na recorder ko teng.
Okay.
And then when we met, yeah, I are my baby. I have to take you from here to another level. So by the time re reng ke nako ile Botswana re reng re tlo bua and then re etse something, unfortunately. Yeah, but that thing is still continuing. I never give up.
Don't give up.
Yes.
Sisters, thank you so much. Your last words?
Lentswe la ka la bofelo ke gore South Africans are rataneng kaofela, are tlhokomelaneng kaofela. And this thing of ya polao mo lefatsheng la rena, let us be against it. And are rapediseng ba etapele ba rena, rapediseng ba tlhokomedi ba lefatshe la rena, masole, maponesa, barutabana ko dikolong, manese, kore ho rene khutso le lerato, because without love and peace re ka se ke ra tlhokomelana.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We meet again the other time. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Yes.
Much love.
Oh my God.
Wena o khona tshwara sephiri mona wetsi. Wena wa boro tshwenya ke leme ne ke re ko ufa wena wa bora nkare o file wa tsoga wa poster ke phela go botsa moja sa gae wa phitlha mara for wena dilene ke joke mara for wena mojolo ke joke le batho ba witse ka o posta di joke story se thoma na kwela pula ina ba o shile chomi tsa gao ba sola yela ba re o stlaelo ga nona melo ga nne chomi ya driver o tla reka netwe se tse ga ro ba la lwena wa kwata wa reka mpe byala ba yema chomi tsa gao ba re iketsa o modesa wa tshwara next ba rogana ka pes ke le bone le nganga ke re la dlala na go ya toilete ba starta bangala le pula ne tshela no snoro ka itlhetla hairstyle sa lempya wa tshwara umbrella kwa skono request you came unprepared o tlilo sa plan o sa tshwara nthorek long story short that's how we met ke maketi inbox stay away from my girl o tshwenya ke leme ne ke re ska mo rato bolela wena wa bora nkare o file wa tsoga wa posta lone wa speed ke phela go botsa moja sa gae wa phitlha mara for wena dilene